Hi gals and pals, thank you for joining the EASLEY family. Tonight we'll be making McDonald's Big Mac inspired cheeseburger sliders and I cannot wait. I got this recipe from Pinterest and I kind of freestyled it because I saw, different things, especially when it came to the mac sauce, but let's get into it. First we're going to start off with that beef. You're going to want to season that thing real good, so you're going to get your cup out. What you're going to do is put 2 teaspoons of that nature seasoning in there. You're going to put 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder. You're going to put 2 teaspoons of the onion powder. Then you're going to stir that thing up real good, and just sprinkle it up there, a little razzle dazzle. Nothing too fancy. This was a little bit fancy. Okay, you're going to want to mix this up really good, and I needed a binding agent. I saw where a few people used oatmeal, but I'm going to use an egg here, and this just ensures that your meat will stick together and it does not crumble or come apart. I'll go ahead and mix this up, and while I'm mixing, I do want to share with you guys that this is a collab video, hopefully the first of many. So after you get done watching this video, make sure you head over to see Big Girl work. She's throwing down in the kitchen making a homemade Cajun pasta, and guys, she just used the items that she found around her house, the fridge and the pantry. Her channel also has content on how you can eat good food on a budget. I'll be sure to drop her link in the description box below. So once you've mixed it and flattened it, you're going to go ahead and place it in the oven. And you're going to put it on 375 degrees. And I typically let this stay in for 25 minutes. As for the mac sauce, we use 1/4 cup of mayo, a little French dressing, just a little ketchup and mustard, 4 tablespoons of relish, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika for color, and nature seasoning. And I just mixed it all up in there, I really do like my onions in big slices, guys, but for the sake of these Big Mac sliders, I'm going to actually chop my onions up. So that's what I'm doing here, but you can have these however. And y'all know, of course, behind the scenes, I had me a big slice. You know how I get down. This is what your meat looks like. It doesn't look too appetizing now, but guys, trust me, this is going to be a hit. Once it's done, you're going to slice it up. I sliced mine into about, I think I ended up getting like 10 pieces. And once you slice it, all I did was I just transferred the meat to a different bowl because I'm going to cook my sliders in this same bowl. All I did was take my bread, separate it, and I'm going to get prepared to butter the bread. Once you have buttered your bread, you go ahead and put your mac mixture onto your bun. And I just put lettuce. I used a little lettuce because I have a picky kid, guys, who probably won't even touch this because it has a little lettuce on it. So you could just layer these how you want. I'm no McDonald's expert, but I'm pretty sure we're getting the same drift here. After I put my meat, I make sure I put my cheese, and I'm gonna just put my pickles on the side, guys, because I cannot stand the taste of pickles on a burger. Like, ugh, who does that? Leave a comment down below if you eat pickles on burgers. Then I also put the mac sauce on top of my buns, as well as put the onions on top of the cheese. And I'll put these in the oven for a while, but after I butter the top of my bun. And then, of course, sprinkle it with the sesame seeds. And this is what they look like fresh out of the oven. Very, very good and cheesy. Cannot wait to devour these. So yes, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Leave your comments down low on what you guys want to see us make next. I do want to try this again, but the next time I try it, I'll make my burgers thinner. They did give me McDonald's vibes, especially with the mac sauce. I do recommend you guys try it. So good. I also paired these with the shoestring fries, which were very, very good. I like mine fried hard. And then, like I said, I put my pickles on the side. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more good eats.
You You and me will always be tied. You know I love you every single day and night. Even when we start to trip and lose our cool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. Courtney, love, you my only one. Money, gonna always keep it fun. Baby, girl, you know it's clear to see that you know that I know I love our family. Family. The EASLEY family will make you say that family's here to stay. Family, EASLEY family will take your love. Cause we just some love thugs. Family, EASLEY family. Yo!
That's a remix.